Cedar plank salmon, backyard grill. Let's go. Here's what we're working with. Full salmon fillet, for the sides, couscous, asparagus, and a simple Greek salad. First things first, the cedar plank goes into the water right now. You need this soaking for at least an hour before it hits the grill. A dry plank will catch fire, but a soaked plank smolders and gives you that smoky cedar flavor that makes this dish. Don't skip this step and don't rush it. Salmon out the package, and the first thing we do is pat it completely dry with paper towels. Moisture on the surface of the fish is the enemy of a good crust and good seasoning adhesion. Dry fish equal a better result every single time. For the seasoning rub, we're doing brown sugar, dill, salt, and pepper. Simple and intentional. Mix it together and break up any large clumps of brown sugar. You want a fine, even rub. Big chunks won't coat the fish evenly and they'll burn faster on the grill. I'm cutting the full salmon fillet down into individual portions. Smaller fillets cook more evenly on the grill and are easier to plate and serve. This will make the whole process cleaner from grill to plate. And any leftover salmon, don't be afraid to freeze it for another day. Coat the salmon fillet with avocado oil first. This helps the rub stick and gives the surface something to work with on the heat. Spoon the rub on top and press it gently into the flesh. You want full coverage. Every part of the fillet should have seasoning on it. When you finish seasoning, put your fillet onto the cedar plank, skin side down. Cedar plank goes onto the indirect side of the grill, away from the coals. That plank is going to absorb the ambient heat of the grill, start to smolder, and infuse the salmon with that cedar smoke from underneath while the grill cooks it from above. Lid goes on and we let it run. While the salmon is on the grill, we're building the glaze. Soy sauce for salt and umami depth. Honey, this is going to caramelize on the salmon and give it that glossy finish you see at restaurants. Fresh lemon juice to cut through the sweetness, and then pepper and garlic powder to round it out. Mix it together and set it aside. This goes on the salmon about halfway through the cook. Now onto the asparagus. Avocado oil on top, and then toss every stalk. Make sure you got a good count. Toss these into the grill basket, and these are going on right after the salmon comes off. Now let's go check on the salmon. Look at that. The rub has set beautifully and you can already see that the brown sugar is starting to caramelize on the surface. Glaze goes on. Now don't be shy with this glaze. Lid goes back on and we give it another few minutes to finish up. We're looking for 125 to 130 degrees for medium. Salmon is off. Look at that glaze. That's what we came for. While this rests for a couple minutes, let's get the asparagus on. The asparagus goes directly over the coals. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes to get some nice char. Now we built a plate. Couscous as the base, it will soak up any juices from the salmon perfectly. Salmon goes right on top of the couscous, skin side down, glaze side up. Look at that color. Greek salad on the side, chopped cucumber and tomato, feta cheese, fresh lemon juice, and a drizzle of olive oil. Fresh and bright, it balances the richness of the salmon perfectly. Lastly, grilled asparagus to finish the plate. $42 grams of protein per fillet for about $67. It's really hard to beat that. Drop a comment for what protein you'd like to see next, and hit subscribe if you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.